from here and reach here. So 850 will be enough to bring the sample till here. 850 will bring the sample till here, and after sample reaches at this point of time, 850 has been injected. This sample is going below the membrane. Sample कहाँ जा रहा है? Below the membrane जा रहा है. This is all what we need. And next step is that we take the culture media,
in the outlet port, and the remaining on the polycarbonate membrane. So the sperms, they are having affinity for the HTF media. So they are all getting sieved through the polycarbonate membrane. So in a way we are getting the healthy sperms for our procedures. So now Dr. Anurag will demonstrate installation of the semen sample.
So we work in two teams.
I would like to demonstrate the what which have been described right now. How to put the media, how to put the semen sample in this this process. So this is the
now watch very carefully.
I put the sample into the
Inlet.
So fix the
now we are putting
syringe into the inlet
850 microl of in the inlet. You find that sample is flowing like this,
around the well,
and it will go.
As I'm filling, the whole circle is filling up. So I fill the sample up to when I will see the sample inside the OV part.
When it reaches here, and then
So the
sample is gone. We should avoid such air bubbles.
The next process media will be put inside.
So now we go to the third person.
I'm Dr. Ruchi, C2 course 121 batch. Today I will distill the media into the outlet of this SSD device. The outlet. You can see the outlet. Just fix the syringe and 2 drops just instead.
2 drops in the outlet port. 2 drops.
I will still over the membrane.
And rest of the media we take around 1 ml and we pour the rest all over the. So that's the way the thing works. You find that we just over the chamber we are spreading the media, and by doing this we are very well covered up, and after we have put the media we just gently shake it so that it is equally spread. Just gently do it like this so that the whole membrane is covered. So we have put 850 of the semen sample in the inlet, and we have put 2 drops in the outlet. The other device is the remote device. So normally I demonstrate the 2 devices, many batches. So we'll compare both the devices, but both are equally good, and we'll keep it in a small tray, and we keep it inside for around 30 to 40 minutes, and then after 30 minutes we can look at the outcome, and we can take out around 400 microliters. Mohit, second video.